Hi, everybody. This is what you're going to be doing for class number 2, which will be Wednesday, April 15th and Thursday, April 16th. So we're going to be starting the Cold War. After we finished up World War II, we're going to go ahead and move on to Unit 8, and we're going to make things pretty user-friendly and basic and simple so you don't feel overwhelmed. We're going to start with vocab. This is a little bit different than what we have done in the past. If you read the directions, it's going to tell you 2 different activities that you need to do. You are going to define the words on the left-hand side, and then you're going to go ahead and complete activity 2. So you're going to choose 3 words that you believe go with the United States and then with the Soviet Union. The Cold War was a huge competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. So you're going to kind of make a guess based upon the definitions for the terms that you had to define over here. The other thing to keep in mind, like I always tell my classes, is make sure when you're defining the words that you're actually finding the definitions that have to do with the Cold War. So when you Google those words or go into dictionary.com, make sure that you are finding those right definitions, or if not, like in parentheses or something, typing Cold War, and the correct definition should show up. If not, as always, you should be able to email us with any questions. Then after you complete the vocabulary sheet and click Turn In on Google Classroom, you are going to go ahead and go to, wrong one, the Roots of the Cold War Brain Pop video questions. On this sheet, you will also see it posted. There is a link for you to go to the Brain Pop video. You're going to go ahead and click that link. You are going to watch the brain pop like we would in class, okay? Click play and you'll watch that for a few minutes, and then you will go back in and answer the questions that go along with the video. You can watch the video as many times as you need or stop and go to answer the questions, but make sure you are answering the questions in complete sentences. You're also going to hear us talk a lot about, while you're answering these questions, make sure when you're typing your answers that you go ahead and put them either in bold or in a text color that we can read, so that way we can tell what your answers are. Please don't put them in yellow or hot green. If we can't read it, then we're unable to give you feedback about your answers and if they're correct or not. Okay, those are going to be the 2 assignments for today. Please make sure you click Turn In on both of them once you finish. If you have any questions, make sure that you are going to the e-learning website that has been set up. We all have office hours where you can email or possibly Google Meet with us, or if you need to email at off times, we will do our best to answer your questions when we see it. All right, guys, take care.